Hey guys, it's Denson Do It All, and today
we went to Meijer's to check out all their awesome Halloween. So stick with us and we'll show you everything we could find throughout the entire store. And it was spread out everywhere. Oogie's $40. There's the Oogie.
So we really like this Oogie. Tell us if you like it in the comments, and tell us if you know what movie it's from.
After checking out the tables that had all the stuff for your outside display, we then moved over to check out the skeletons, props, and even masks and accessories they had for any of your costumes. Those are kind of cool. They're like, you know how I like clear bins? But they're like Halloween. They were still getting fully set up, but you could clearly see that they had a much larger selection of kids' costumes than they did adult. So if you're in the market for adult costumes, you might want to head to Spirit or another store, but their kids' costumes, they definitely had you covered here at this one. Grandma hasn't made it far. However, one of the spots that Meijer's really excelled at versus any of the stores we've checked out so far is if you're looking to up your jack-o'-lantern game and get something besides just your standard design, they had you covered with a ton of Pumpkin Masters, templates, tools, and accessories to get the look you want for all your pumpkin carving needs. It was Grandma again, leaving her card on the table.
Scaring of Grandma incoming.
If you have any Squishmallow fans at home, Meijer had a huge selection of those along with some licensed ones. However, one hit the floor, so I decided to help out and put that back in the bin. Yeah. Meijer's also had a nice little selection of lights and different lighting accessories to really bring out the spirit and the mood for any fall or Halloween decor. This next section was still getting fully set up, and it looks like it's going to be their licensed area with movies like Hocus Pocus and Nightmare Before Christmas, which we found a little posable Jack Skellington, but uniquely it was the pumpkin-headed version, so we grabbed one of those to bring home. The main aisles included a lot of different accessories that you might have missed in the main display, including your jack-o'-lantern buckets and all your trick-or-treating needs, including some fine touch-ups for your makeup or your costume, and just some general overall accessories and candy to make your Halloween night perfect. They also had a nice little display of books that were seasonal and appropriate for the time, along with some PJs, some socks, accessories, shirts, sweatshirts to really bring out the festive season. Meijer's didn't forget about those that just wanted to celebrate the fall season and not necessarily Halloween alone, so they had a standalone fall section which you could get anything to really take you all the way up to the Christmas season. Let us know in the comments if you prefer Halloween, fall, or both. If you enjoyed this video and you like Halloween, you found the right place. So be sure to
like and subscribe.
Thanks a lot. Hope you're doing well. Take care and
Have a great day.